happy holidays. I really hope that you knew what this look was inspired by. Thank you. If you want to just see the tutorial inspired by Martha May from Hulu, then skip a little bit ahead. But I hope you guys love it and keep on watching if you want to see all the things. Look guys, I hope you loved it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think down below. I hope you guys loved it, and I will see you in the next video.